Gabriel, say hi.
Hi.
What are you building up today?
It's
Oh, is that a garage?
A race car. A race car machine. A race car machine. A race car machine. Race car machine. Almost done.
Can you show me who is inside the garage? Oh, I see that right there. I think that's McQueen. All right. How about the other one? What? Who is that one?
My queen, and this is the spider car. This is a monster, and this is
Okay, about the other
Gravedigger.
garage. Can you show me who is that?
Monster truck and Gravedigger.
Okay, Gravedigger, the monster
Gravedigger.
truck is
Why-
inside the
why
garage.
Why did two Gravediggers?
Yes, this is a different one.
And
And how about the big garage there? El Taroko? It's the dark. I can't see. Maybe. And the shark. Oh, whoa, whoa, there's a shark. Wow, it's a shark. And who is that there?
And monster trucks.
Whoa, you are cool. You got cool garage. Wow.
This is washing car machine. It's a washing car.
All right, I'll let you play there. See you later, buddy. Say bye.